Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today I am coming on to discuss with you guys why I am postponing my herbal detox. I was so excited about getting started with a detox. I had started to get everything prepared to do a pre-detox, and this is what happened. So since fall, I have been sick 3 times. I've had 2 colds and 1 stomach virus bug, flu, however you want to phrase it. But within that 6-week period, I just kept getting sick, and right now I'm still fighting a cold and trying to get over a cold. And doing a detox, it's just not the right time to do it when you're sick, because it's already gonna kind of make you feel. It can make you feel a little sluggish. I mean, it should feel good, but it can make you feel sluggish, and then you're losing a lot of fluids and trying to get fluids back in when you're going through the herbal detox. So I just thought it wasn't a good time, and I decided that I needed to boost my immune. So this is what I'm going to go over with you guys right now, and then I'm going to have a video of some of the foods that I got in the grocery haul to do just that, to try to boost my immune system. And then after we get that taken care of, then we'll go back to kind of pre-detoxing, and then we'll go right into doing another detox. But I just need to make sure that I'm well and not like in between colds or whatever. So yeah, so I had started pre-detoxing, like I said, but I stopped doing that because when I'm sick, I don't restrict my diet or do any type of detox. I don't think anybody would recommend that, because you're already not feeling well. So it's just better to just wait until you're well to move on from that. For the time being, I'm just going to be boosting my immune system, and this is how I intend on doing it. One of the first things, and this has really got to be number 1 on my list, I need to get more sleep. My sleep is kind of sporadic. I go to bed like really early in the morning sometime, and then I get up early, and I'm just not getting proper rest. So sleep and immunity are closely tied. Poor sleep is linked to a higher probability to sickness. So that in itself, it's probably one of the major reasons why I keep getting colds or stomach flus. I'm just not fighting off if I'm around somebody that has that the way that I should. Another thing is to eat more whole plant foods. So foods rich in nutrients and antioxidants help fight against harmful pathogens. And I had mentioned to you guys I want to say it was my last video that I was doing like a lot of processed foods. So I wasn't getting a lot of whole foods or a lot of plant-based foods in my diet. I mean, I was getting some, but not the way that I used to. So I'm really not surprised that my immune system has kind of like taken a dive. Another way to boost the immune system is to eat more healthy fats. Healthy fats boost the body's immune response to pathogens by decreasing inflammation. I get fats like with some of the healthy foods like nuts, some vegetables, and I know avocados is said to have a healthy fat. I hadn't been getting, I hadn't been eating my avocados like I normally used to, and I would do nuts, but probably just kind of sporadically. So that's another thing that I'm incorporating back into my diet. And to eat more fermented foods. So fermented foods are rich in beneficial bacterial probiotics, which aid in gut health and can help your immune cells differentiate between normal healthy cells and harmful organisms. I love kimchi, and I like to put that into like a stir fry. I know family members who just eat it. They don't even eat anything with it. But I like to do it like in a stir fry. But I really do love kimchi. There's other fermented foods also. Sauerkraut, pickles are a fermented food. So yeah, there's all different kind, and so I'm going to be eating more kimchi in my stir fries. Also, to limit sugar. And if any of you guys have watched any of my past videos, sugar has always been a problem for me. I love sweet cakes, cookies, chocolate. So that was a really huge reason, not the only reason, that I wanted to detox in the first place, is to kind of get my palate back together, because yeah, we be eating too much sugar. We do. Exercise is another way to boost your immune system. When I was sick, in like the beginning of my colds, I kind of like, lay low with overdoing it with exercise. I might walk or, kind of do my exercise bike, but not to the point where I'm already feeling like under the weather and then I don't have the energy to do the workout that I want. So I kind of watch, how much exercise I'm actually doing. If I was completely well and still just trying to boost my immune system, then, it wouldn't be an issue. But since I've got the cold now, just kind of lightly doing things. And then hydration. So preventing dehydration is important to overall health. And I know that it's easy to kind of like go all day, and then sometimes, it's just, you realize that you haven't even had water. I don't do pop or anything like that. The most that I've been doing is lemonade. I love lemonade, and I can make it just at home. It doesn't have to be the ones from the store, because they're probably really packed with sugar. Getting enough water in every day. It's really imperative that, you're not dehydrated. And then also, another thing to help with boosting your immune is to manage your stress. Long-term stress can cause imbalances in immune cell function. And I know that I have been stressed for a long time. My body is probably in the fight or flight. It's been going on for a long time. I'll have little breaks where I'm not like that, but for the most part, I'm just really, stressed. So journaling, yoga, meditation, those are all good things to like calm down stress. Something that I've been doing recently is listening to just really mellow. I've always been a jazz fan, but just the music. It's a station on YouTube that I actually been listening to, and it's just like so relaxing, and when I listen to it, I almost want to take a nap. But sometimes, like when my mornings are going like, I'm like going really ham in the morning, and I'm doing this, that, and the other, and then I'll turn on that music to just kind of, slow everything down, just ease the stress out, and just try to relax. Eat a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. I know they used to say that a lot, in the schools, but it's really important to go back to that. So you're not just eating white potatoes, just white and green, like a salad. You want to get all types of colors in, yellows, reds, greens, to have a more balanced diet. So again, we are going to be revisiting the detox. Once my immune system is stable and there's no colds or anything, then we'll revisit. And then I will, in the meantime, continue doing cooking videos, hair, and beauty content. So I just wanted to come on and give you guys an update what's going on, because I know that the goal was to pre-detox and go right into the detox and show you guys what I was doing day to day, but my body just, it needs to have an immune boost. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday and Friday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have any tips on immune boosting, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.